Are you the best cocktail tables and tablecloths cocktails? Tables and tablecloths are essential for creating a polished and professional look for events, whether it's a wedding, banquet, or corporate gathering. Their functionality extends beyond aesthetics, offering protection and durability for highboy tables while enhancing the overall ambiance. In this product 1, Holiday Ideas Cocktail Table Covers. The Holiday Ideas cocktail table covers are a budget-friendly option designed to fit 30 to 32-inch diameter tables with a height of 40 to 43 inches. Made from a blend of polyester and spandex, these covers are durable, wrinkle-resistant, and easy to install, thanks to their elastic foot pockets. The black color and solid pattern make them versatile for various events, from weddings to exhibitions. The material is machine washable, ensuring easy maintenance, and the covers are reusable, making them an economical choice for frequent use. Performance-wise, these covers Product 2. Fixed Wall Cocktail Table Covers. The Fixed Wall Cocktail Table Covers offer excellent value for their price, featuring a 90% polyester and 10% spandex blend that is wrinkle and stain resistant. These white covers fit 30 to 32-inch diameter tables with a height of 40 to 43 inches, making them suitable for highboy and folding cocktail tables. The reinforced elastic leg pockets ensure a secure fit, while the solid white color adds a touch of elegance to events. The covers are machine washable, making maintenance hassle-free. These tablecloths are ideal for casual and semi-formal events, offering a clean and polished look. Their lightweight product Tegame 4-packs round spandex cocktail tablecloths. The Tegame cocktail tablecloths are a premium option designed for elegance and durability. Made from high-quality spandex, these tablecloths feature a skirt hem design with weighted edges, ensuring they stay securely in place. The set includes 4 white covers that fit 32-inch diameter tables with a height of 43 inches. The ruffle design adds sophistication, making them ideal for weddings, hotels, and upscale events. These covers are machine washable and resistant to fading and deformation. While these tablecloths are pricier, their superior material quality and aesthetic of product were 4 packs. 32 by 43-inch spandex round cocktail table skirts with the Delancey cocktail table skirts offer a blend of functionality and style, featuring natural wavy drapes that enhance the aesthetic appeal of highboy tables. Made from a polyester spandex blend, these black covers fit 32-inch diameter tables with a height of 43 inches. The wrinkle-free fabric is machine washable and reusable, making them a practical choice for frequent use. The opaque design effectively hides items underneath the table, adding to their versatility. These table skirts are particularly well-suited for weddings and formal events. Product 5. Cocktail Table Covers Spandex Round High-Top Table. The Enjoy a Dia cocktail table covers are a versatile and practical option, offering 6 black covers made from a durable polyester spandex blend. These covers fit 30 to 32-inch diameter tables with a height of 43 inches, featuring reinforced elastic leg pockets for stability. The wrinkle-resistant and stain-resistant fabric ensures a professional look, making them ideal for a wide range of events, from weddings to trade shows. The set's large quantity makes it a cost-effective choice for bulk use. Performance-wise,